There is always something in these celeb streets, but this one I never thought I will get to see it. So, MTN News reports Simpiwe Dana calls out Nomzamo Mbatha over hairstyle dispute. South African singer Simpiwe Dana has publicly accused actress Nomzamo Mbatha of copying her signature hairstyle without credit. Dana, known for her Afrocentric aesthetic, claimed the hairstyle features in Mbatha's Shaka Ilembe Season 2 premiere look is integral to her brand. So this is the actual statement that Ugel has made, right? That Dana, Usimpiwe Dana has made on her account. She said, "I'm now fed up with brands appropriating my hairstyle. The least you can do is acknowledge where you got the idea from. I'm talking to you, Shaka Ilembe, and Nomzamo Mbatha over the other. And Nomzamo Mbatha, the other sister I won't mention. It started here. Appreciate, don't appropriate." Meaning ukuthi girl wants Shaka Ilembe to credit her, maybe when they are concluding the series, to say hairstyles inspired by Simpiwe Dana. I don't know, guys, what you guys think about this. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.